All right. So getting back to what I began with, I wrote this book, Waking Up from a Lifetime of Hypnosis. Some people have gotten it and they've actually liked it. I've heard from people who wrote to me and who called me on the phone and said they liked it. So you might want to get that book and then wait for my new one, because I'm going to go into aspects of hypnosis that you will be your eyes will be open. And it could be very good. So do you get it now? You need to come back to reality. Like I always say, to where the birds are singing and the sky is blue and white puffy clouds are floating overhead. Back to reality. As you were very close to reality when you were a little tiny child. But you fell away from it because people got to you. And now all you need to do is refine it. All right? So another thing that I want to say is that it's down in your daydreams, down in your thinking. That's when you start to get anxious, worried, nervous, fixated on what am I going to do? How am I going to do this? All that. It comes from going and down when you fall into your thoughts, into daydreams, which become nightmares. And you go floating away with thoughts and worries and plans and schemes. You're moving toward the dark side, because that's where he makes his approach. See, he gets far away from God. He is far away from God. And then he approaches from the other side. See, so he's over there. I mean, the guy with the horns, the dark side, whatever you want to call it. And he approaches through the subconscious and through a lower kind of thinking, like worrying, for example, or resenting, being angry at people and that's where he makes his approach. See? But if you get out of your thinking and stand back and watch it, see? So there's the thoughts, but you're not the thought. You're the observer of thought. And you see worry and all that stuff, and you keep it a little bit distant. Now you're closer to God. And the closer you get to God, the farther you are away from it, whatever it is, that dark thing that wants to get you. So keep moving closer to God. And how do you do that? You just learn to you use the little meditation that I have. It's very helpful. And then you hang on to your awareness because you want to be aware. See, at a certain point, you're sick and tired of being sick and tired, and you just don't want to hate anymore. You don't want to hate anybody, and you want to know the truth. Even if it shows you to be wrong, you're willing to see the truth. Well, with that kind of an attitude, then you welcome truth. See, just like a somebody who loves math. They got a problem and they're trying to solve the problem. They want the truth. And then when they see the solution, oh, I see. Or when they see their mistake that they had made so it wasn't working out, oh, I see my mistake. And they're glad to see their mistake because now they can get it right, see? So now you have to have the attitude of welcoming, seeing the things that you've done that aren't so good, mainly hating people. Began when you hated your mom and hated your dad or hated your brother, or often that. That's how it starts. All right. So I think I've said enough. So you need to know that that the things that I have all of these, I've written all these books. They're really good. So you ought to get some of my books. Start with one of them. I don't care which one, just pick one. You go to Amazon, there they are. They're all in Kindle and in paperback, and a couple of them are even in Audible. It almost doesn't even matter which one you get. Oh, and incidentally, if you go to my website, sheddingshackles.com, see, but you need the meditation because you need the enlightened state of mind, the higher state of mind, the non-hypnotized state of mind, the aware state of mind, the mind that's close to reality and not lost in a psychotic sleep or a hypnotic sleep. See, a mind that is close to truth and welcomes truth. You need that. And so the little meditation helps you to get started, helps you learn how to stand back from thoughts and emotions so you can be in this blessed state where you're receptive to truth and truth is there to guide you and advise you. It's a lamp unto your feet. It's what you wordlessly know in your heart. All right? So just about any one of my books you could get and open it up to any page and just start reading. And if you are in that kind of a state of mind where you're receptive to truth, then, wow, you'll see something really, really good. And then you can put the book away and go about your life with that one thing to ponder as you go through your daily activity. Well, but what I was going to say is if you go to the website, sheddingshackles.com, and you look for the meditation, the 4-part meditation, the complete 4-part, was really beautiful. Be nice just to listen to it. It's so beautiful. But you need to also practice it. Okay, practice it. Learn how to sit quietly, become aware of your hand so that eventually it'll start to have a gentle little tingly feeling. And close your eyes and look at the little pixels of light on the inside of your eyelids. Learn you have to do that. But at the same time, then you can also read a little bit of the books. Oh, but what I was and listen to the meditation that I have because there's good stuff in it. So see, after you learned a little, so all you need is a little technique. You can learn that in just a few minutes, and then the other stuff is gravy, little tips about going through life. And the tips are so simple, but you need to be reminded not to resent other people. See, to be patient with other people. Take a mental step back when you catch yourself getting lost in thoughts, lost in worries, those type of things. And what was I going to say? If you go to where the 4-part meditation is, it's free. There actually are a couple of books there that you can download online for free in a PDF version. One of them is Becoming a Friend of God. It's a very nice little book. And another one is, what is it? Introduction to Stress Management or something like that. It's a short little book, but it's quite good. So there you have it. I've got resources for you, many of which are free. The meditation itself is free. And I've given you something to ponder in this little video here. So enjoy reality. Don't resent other people. And you'll be on your way to something good.